Hello and welcome to video 3 of reality. The first video, well, this is the third video, but this video is going to open your mind and give you some more information that I think is important for you to have before we begin the actual theory of reality. It is coming in the next video. Right now, there are a few pieces of the puzzle we need to give you. And a little bit more knowledge, and then I think you'll be ready. This short video is about belief. You see, belief is nothing more than an emotion, a very strong emotion. Belief is one of the most powerful things in the universe. A true belief has more power in it than an atom bomb. That is why we believe. It is a way of using energy. And that's also why it's very difficult to believe, because it does require a lot of energy. Now, by learning reality, I'm not going to change your beliefs. It doesn't matter what they are. What you're going to do is increase your belief to where you don't have doubts. Now, there's a lot of videos on YouTube and online about belief systems. The law of attraction, the power of manifestation. This is not that, okay? Religions, every religion is belief-based, faith-based. Every single one of them. Every time you want to accomplish something in your life, you have to believe you can do it before you do it. But here's the thing, you've never really believed in much of anything. You believe in what you can see, what you can touch, what you can smell, what you can experience with your senses, and nothing more. You may have an increased belief in those things, but you can't ever truly believe in anything unless you can experience it in reality. Seeing it, touching it, talking to it, experiencing it in some real way. Now, the one thing in common that religions have, the law of attraction, all those things, one thing they have in common, at some point you have to take a leap based on faith. They all stop short of providing the truth, and they all do the same thing. They increase your belief, which definitely helps you succeed in the world. Prayers have been proven to change the outcome of events in people's lives because you believe in it. But at some point, every religion and everything, every system's ever been used to use this power, to harness this power, you have to take a faith leap. Except for now. You see, the true theory of reality, the true explanation of why you exist, you will never need to take that leap of faith. You will know beyond a shadow of a doubt what this power is, what the energy is, and how to use it to better your life and change your reality. That's where this is different. Understand that clearly. There's no faith here. There's no just believe me. There's no affirmations. This is real science. And everything that will be presented in the next videos has been proven by science. When needed, I'll make reference to where you can look it up. But for most of you, it's so simple you won't need to. You'll know it to be true. Now, let me give you an example of what I mean when I say you don't really believe. If you think you believe in God, you do have some belief in God, but you have doubts, even the Pope, unless he's met God. That would wipe out your doubts. If I say to you, flying behind me is a bird. Do you see the bird? It's right there, flying right behind me. Right over here, right over here. No, you don't see the bird. So you don't believe that there's a bird there. However, I've increased your belief because I think there's something there. There might be something there. And I tell you, listen carefully. And you hear the flutter of the bird's wings. You still don't see the bird. but you hear what sounds like bird wings. I've again increased your belief that there may be something flying around behind me, but I haven't proven it yet. And then I take the camera and I move it to a different angle. And you see the bird. Only then, at that moment, do you realize, do you believe completely that there was a bird flying behind me? That is what the true theory of reality does. It shows you the bird. It makes you believe in the power because you'll see it, you'll experience it, you'll touch it. Now, if you want to understand the theory of reality, and you may think you understand them now, but you don't, unless you follow the path and make the discoveries yourself, using things that you already know and hold true, you can never understand reality. It's not something you can read in a book and truly understand it. It is an experience, an amazing journey that I'm going to put you upon. You may travel farther than me, but you will uncover in your own mind the truth of the universe. I can and will show everyone how simple the truth is. Yes, knowledge is power. And you will learn the secrets to making the universe any way you want it without having doubts. Please watch video 4, and we will begin to show you the bird and reality.